All right. Had to figure it out a little. Am I playing music? Let's see. I'm always wondering if I've got this jacked up. No, I hear it. I gotta tweak the background sounds. It's still picking them up in the background. Shitty headphones? Check. Let's see. So weird. Which one do I use? Oh, that's for the power. All right. The sound doesn't come through there. That's just the power. Shitty connection now. All right. I've been goofing around for 10 minutes or 5 minutes with this. Let's just go. Hey, hey, hey. I'm here. I'm here. All All right. Welcome in, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you guys being here. Happy hump day indeed. Markets extending higher here early on. The hawkish unwind continues. Or so it seems. Let me do some updates. I haven't even updated my points of control or nothing. Just totally slacking today. Oh, shit. Let's see here. Excuse me. Woo. Snuck up on me. I need to remember the hotkey for muting. Test 1, test 2. That's it. I got a hotkey for muting. I just had to remember what it was. It's C. It probably should be like FNC or something like that. For cough. C for cough. All right, points of control today for January 11th, 2023. By the way, the 7th trading day of the month, quarter, and year. 3rd trading day of the week. $3919.50 for S&P futures /ES. 1832.10 for Russell 2000 futures /RTY. And 11199.50 for NASDAQ 100 futures /NQ. So let's update this screen here. So weird. Watch list. I've got some things we're watching for tomorrow. No earnings today, no dividends today, but tomorrow. No dividends or earnings today that we're watching, but tomorrow we've got a bunch. I'll go through them here. $8:30, by the way. I don't think there were any economic data coming out. There was any economic data. Let's see. All right. So tomorrow, like I said, nothing happening today. There were no earnings after hours yesterday. There were no dividends today. Tomorrow, we got Cracker Barrel with a dividend. Stock symbol Charlie Bravo Romeo Lima. Had a good day yesterday. All restaurants had a good day yesterday. FCX has a dividend tomorrow. Also had a great day and been having a great couple of days. Stock symbol Foxtrot Charlie X-Ray. Foot Locker has a dividend tomorrow. Stock symbol Foxtrot Lima. SAIC has a dividend tomorrow. By the way, these dividends that I'm calling out, these are just stocks in the Jay Jared portfolio. I'm sure there are other stocks out there with dividends and or earnings when I get to those, because I do have one I'm going to get to tomorrow. Call out yours. But these are stocks that pay a dividend or have earnings that are in the Jay Jared portfolio. Like I was saying, SAIC. SAIC has a dividend tomorrow. As you can see, this one's kind of been selling off. Stock symbol Sierra, Alpha, India, Charlie. AbbVie has a dividend tomorrow. Stock symbol Alpha, Bravo, Victor. How many stocks are in this portfolio? Great question. I've got to update it, but there's only a few additions or subtractions. Again, it's an active investment strategy. I'd actually like to reduce the number of positions I have. I I kind of got a little big last year. So one of the main goals this year is to get rid of some of those smaller positions, especially on the partial share list. Anyway, AbbVie tomorrow with a dividend. Stock symbol Alpha Bravo Bravo Victor. And last but not least, tomorrow, Abbott Labs. Stock symbol Alpha Bravo Tango. All these stocks you have to own by the end of today, the end of the day today, to get that dividend tomorrow. Can't buy them tomorrow. You can sell them tomorrow. You can't buy them. And then for our only earnings play tomorrow morning, Taiwan Semiconductor. So sometime overnight, Taiwan Semiconductor should be reporting. Since it's in Taiwan, I don't know what the date is. I mean, technically, it's probably morning our time. I just don't know when. It's Taiwan Semiconductor. Stock symbol Tango Sierra Michael. And that is what we're watching today. Yesterday, we completed 16 trades on 27 alerts. Midnight here. Good stuff. Good stuff. So we'll be keeping an eye on those guys. Obviously, they're big in the Taiwan chip space, or I'm sorry, in the semiconductor and chip space. Semiconductors, chips been getting hammered. They usually do during this phase of the economic cycle. But maybe the bottom's in. Maybe it's showing some resilience here lately. All right, let's do our status. The headline I picked today, the hawkish unwind continues, question mark. It seems as though traders seem to think that the Fed is less hawkish, or sounding less hawkish, when we parse their words and the emphasis they put on said words. I don't get caught up on that. I really don't. They don't care if people think they're being more or less hawkish, honestly. I mean, I care. I don't care if they are. I care what the markets perceive them to be. Obviously, it seems like the prevailing attitude is that with China reopening and the Fed sounding less hawkish, that there's some repositioning occurring. So I went out on a limb after the last Fed announcement and said I thought that would be the last rate hike. So I feel like more people are coming around to that rationale, or that conclusion. But we'll just have to wait and see, right? Let's see. On the economic calendar today, we had we had the Mortgage Bankers Association report their data at 7 a.m. MBA and data. Mortgage rate comes in, a 30-year fixed, according to them, comes in at 6.42%, down 16 basis points from last week. Mortgage applications are up 1.2% this week. The purchasing index down slightly. Market index up slightly. Refinance index up slightly. At 10:30, we have oil and gasoline inventories from the EIA. And then let's see. We got a 10-year note auction today. That's always fun to watch. And then we've got China with their CPI and PPI tonight. And then a Friday earnings season kind of kicks into high gear. Got a number of banks reporting: United Healthcare, Delta Airlines. Whew, should be fun. Let's get it. All right. Let's see. Let's refresh this. There we go. We are ready to go. Markets again. Slightly higher pre-market. Let's do the work. Let's do the work. The old waiting game. I'm not waiting for nothing. I got way too much stuff going on. If anything, things could take their time getting here so I can get caught up, for flip's sake. All right. All right, all right. That's done. Let me get over here to YouTube. JayJaredLive. By the way, if anybody wants to help out and is on Rumble, we're getting there. Until I get 25 subscribers, I can't have my own personal URL. You mentioned stuff you wanted worked on the other day, and I've been interested in what it is. Sheesh, I wonder what it could be, too. I've been working on my sound stuff. That's been a pain in the butt. I'm trying to separate out my music tracks so that I can have different music playing in the background when I'm making videos, when I'm cutting up my video for the day, and when I am streaming to like YouTube, Rumble. That's a pain in the butt, man. Not gonna lie. get familiar with some video editing software. Not sure if I could modify your sound settings. Yeah, you can't. This is all on me. I gotta figure it out. I gotta figure it out. But you know what? I like it. Like if someone came along and was like, I could do that for you. I'm like, thanks, but I kind of want to do it myself. I like learning. I like the learning process. Man, those headphones are tight. Jeez. I need to have a way to output my sounds to both my speakers and my headphones. I don't think you can do that, right? It's one or the other. I need to figure out what I'm going to do there. I don't really feel like installing VoiceMeeter Banana over there, but I mean, maybe that's what I need to do. Oh. Use an audio splitter or Bluetooth adapter. Still, if I wanted to go out to both, I think it's one or the other, but yeah, I'll figure it out. I have an audio splitter on the streaming laptop. I've got one. In fact, I might have bought two. I think I bought two, actually. I just need to find the other one. But when you plug in the problem is when you plug in that plug, like it no longer comes out of your speakers, your laptop speakers. Right? It's one or the other. Don't use headphones. Or I split that, or I take that audio out to a physical audio splitter. I could do that. I just don't want to buy any more equipment. I'm tired of investing money in this. Plus, I'm running out of desk space. It's just too much. There's just too much going on here. Like after I set up all this audio equipment, it's like I don't have any room to actually work. So, like I said, slow and steady wins the race. I'll get there. The primary focus is trading, not streaming. Sure, I would like the stream to be better and I would like to do all the things associated with the stream, but honestly, making money's more fun. And building the infrastructure to support that. All righty here. I got my call. Let me do some shout outs on Twitch. I haven't done that yet. Or not Twitch, Twitter. Do that right now. Good morning. C. Hogan GA. Waiting on for your Bed Bath & Beyond. Hit $100. Good luck. Notes. Hey, Houston. Good morning to you, sir. Am I going to get rich or die trying today? I'm already rich, man. I'm already there. And dying, that's just part of life. I mean, but how much is enough, right? Yep, there you go. Life is good. I'm rich too. For the reasons that make me feel rich. I got a healthy family, healthy kids, a roof over my head, a job, stocks, growing net liquidity. Life is good, man. I don't think the debt can be left to your children. They just take the debt that you owe, and if there's any claims on your estate, but if there's nothing left, the debt doesn't go to your children. It's not like I can rack up a credit card bill for $1 million and then die, and then my kids are responsible for it. Markets continue to kind of edge higher here. All right, let me get the Twitter notification out there. What's happening? JayJared is live. What are we going to do today? Twitch TV? Let's do Twitch TV. Now, let's do YouTube today. Hawkish unwind continues. There we go. We'll tweet that. I used to send the announcement out on Discord, but honestly, when I start getting dings from my Discord channel or Discord channels I belong to, I'm like, mute that shit. Unless someone calls out my name specifically, I don't care. Like, then I just have like a ton of channels that I belong to, like with a bunch of messages that I really don't care about. So I'm like, why would I contribute to that mess? If someone cares enough about what I got to say, they'll make the effort. I don't need to remind them. What's up with all these power slap contests I'm seeing on people like seeing people get smacked the shit out of, right? It's just like, I think it says more about, yeah. What does it say about people? I mean, obviously the power slap contests are big on Rumble because people watch them. It's crazy. I've watched about 10 seconds of it, and I'm just like, what a bunch of morons. Like, I'm telling, by the time my kids are old enough to like be, productive members of society, I literally think that 80% of the population is just going to be beneath them. Like, as far as like just their mental acuity. They're going to be freaking CEOs and executives. I mean, all they have to do is show up. I really feel like it's getting to that point. All right. I'm going to try to run to the bathroom. And then do my call. All right. I'll be right back, folks. What, did something break again? Every day I say to myself, I need to reconnect the socket. There's the socket connection. Reminder to self. Restart the OBS socket connector when you restart OBS.
QR code or something, and packet of stuff that they give people, maybe even a little tabletop thing that the customers can scan, and they'll get directed to a landing page that will have some kind of calendar on it. So specifically, well, so it's kind of goofy the way we're. Basically, there's two possibilities of how it's going to work as far as partnering with Nova on this. So, either going to be a solar guy.
All right, I'm on my call. I'll be lurking in chat. All right, I'm here. I'm still on my call, but my update's over. Markets try to pull back a little, but now have some legs here. Let's see. I'm just evaluating the alerts that came through.
On the lighting, what do you? I'm not sure what you're referring to with the lighting. I only see the one image.
See you guys. All right. I'm back. General Gaylord, good question. No, I don't. If it's time to sell something, it's time to sell. Like, because I totally anticipate, especially in a bear market, that I'm going to get to buy it back. So, Cliff's moving higher. Wow. What the flip, man? What's 20% above 1484? Holy. All right, just sold some Cliffs. Markets are moving. Markets want to go. We got a gap and go kind of day, at least early on. The hawkish unwind continues. All right. Go back to CCOI now. Need a freaking... God, this thing is coiled up. I like that better though. Why didn't I think of this sooner? Let's see. All right, let me get this muted off my face, or not muted. There we go. Bot is bearish. That bot is totally random. It's like sticking its finger in the air and saying, which way is the wind blowing? It's a joke. Just like most other predictions in here. No, it works. It works as well as all the other predictions. Coin. Wow. AFRM moving higher. 20% higher. All right. Just sold some AFRM. at 10.55. That's 20% higher than the last piece I bought. Coinbase moving higher. I don't think it's time to sell coin. I'll take a look here. I did sell some coin yesterday, though, but lousy fill. Holy crap. I'm setting an alert for X-ray. I wish it was time to sell some more of that, but it's not. Alerts are coming in fast and furious, baby. I'll take it. Take some profits here where I can. I'll try to call them out. We'll get caught up as soon as time allows that. But right now, we're just trying to get it all sold. What's 20% above 34.91? $41.89. What did I get the alert for? $42.75, huh? Well, let's try selling a piece of coin here. $42.06. Very nice. All right, sold some Coinbase. Got any lipo? No. Why am I following the VIX? Because it measures volatility in the markets. And volatility is an important thing to watch when markets are moving up or down. PLL moving higher. I like it. Put in an order to sell some PLL at 56.41. Internals all looking good. Little pullback on the ticks, but still well above 100 or the zero line. AD line continues to scream higher. as does the breath, which is setting up nicely here in the beginning of the day. All right, let's see here. X-ray took care of. Affirm took care of. Coin took care of. CLF took care of. ES, let's look at Chipotle Mexican Grill. PLL just sold 56.41. I'm gonna mark the next buy and sell for that bad boy. By the way, anybody wants to see the PLL? I feel like this is a lot of stocks. Since late December, early January, I just have all the stocks I was holding my nose and buying on the way down since mid-December have just been exploding higher. All right, next sale on PLL. I'll look to sell the next piece of PLL at 59.24. I'll probably buy a piece of it back now that I've sold two pieces on this move higher. At 53.58. I'll hold off on the next buy after that. If we kind of come down rapidly again, I'll buy the first 5% down from there. But then I'll probably hold off until 10% down from there because I just have a lot of inventory down here, and I'm just trying to lower cost basis by as much as I can. If, like I said, if that happens. Pinterest is moving higher. It says I can close this. I would love to be able to close Pinterest. Let's see if that is accurate still. Let's see. I really don't want Pinterest. It was just given to me. I don't know why it's saying to close it. Maybe because my cost basis is $23.32. What is it at? Don't get greedy, Jay. I'm going to close Pinterest. All right, I closed my Pinterest. Shake Shack moving higher again. This stock, man, that's another stock that's been on fire. Bullish. Restaurants, bullish. All right, Pinterest. Let's look at Shake Shack. I just sold some yesterday. For $50.21. Damn. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 50.21 for Shake Shack. 52.98. It's pulled back a little. I'm going to sell a tiny bit of Shake Shack here. Was able to sell spot again if you need to. I haven't gotten an alert for Spotify. It's still a ways to go, probably. Not until 93 or 94. Remember, it's 5% above where I last sold it. All right. PLL, X-Ray, Affirm, Coin, Cliffs, CMG. Let me try to get back to CMG before I get another ding. God dang it. Just. All right, a little pullback in the markets now. Hold on a second. Let me get my quad up on a screen you guys don't see. All right, starting to see a little pullback on the quad. It's nice. There's the quad. You're starting to see a little rounded top on breadth. Starting to see a little pullback on AD line, and ticks continue to kind of, you know, they're still above the zero line, but I'm pulling back a little. The buying is drying up, so just be careful there. The only thing I like that's in its favor is the VIX. The move up in the VIX prior to this kind of like move down, or if you want to call it that, this is that the VIX is moving lower with it. Going back to the question about why do we watch the VIX? All right. Chipotle Mexican Grill. Another one that's been going through the roof, but yeah, everything kind of pulling back a little after the moves higher. That's indicative of what is the VIX? Google, YouTube are your friends. Or you can ask when I'm not busy. I don't think it's time to sell Chipotle. I've bought 3 pieces on this move down in Chipotle, so it won't be time to sell any Chipotle until woof. until $1,493.64. We'll mark it though. Let's mark it. We've done most of the work. 1415. 77 is the cost basis. $1,487.27 is the actual buffer price. That'll put it at, I don't even know, what's my, that's like 5, what is that? 500ths? Because the price is so high. I put a little buffer in there. No, I don't think he was asking if, I don't think he was asking what the VIX was. I think he was asking why I follow it. It's a good question. Cheesecake Factory. I got a ding on Cheesecake Factory earlier. Sold some yesterday. I'm going to sell another piece now. It's 5% above where I sold it yesterday. Wow, man. Some of these stocks have just been on fire. American Express. I got an alert for American Express earlier. Just got an alert for Beyond Meat. I'll take a look at that in a hot second. I don't think it's time to sell American Express. I'll take a look, though. I feel like I only bought one piece on the pullback. No, I bought a lot on the pullback. Wow. Holy smokes. Is that right? Let's see here. Yeah, that's accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces on a pullback. Since January 25th of last year, I've been buying this thing. Never got high enough to sell any. Or I missed it. All right, so let's... Yeah, never, like I missed some sells. That's frustrating. We'll get it. I'm just going to assume that 10% That alert was for DraftKings. I don't care about that right now. I'm going to try to figure out what's going on here with... I think I'd sell my... Holy crap. That's alert for NASDAQ moving higher, hitting their point of control. NASDAQ's moving higher. Hit a point of control from the 9th. From, what was that? Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Back up to its point of control from Monday. So, if we remember yesterday when we were talking about value areas and points of control, it kind of felt like markets wanted to push towards those points of control that were left over from Monday that we didn't touch. Just watch some. I don't. Someone else mentioned lipo before, but I'm guessing it's garbage, and I'm so fucking busy right now. I'll check it out in a hot second, but like generally speaking, if I haven't heard of the stock, and you're the second guy that's mentioned it. Not that I'm classifying you guys as a certain amount of trader, as a certain type of trader. But my guess is it's pumping. You know, it's just hitting the scanners for whatever reason. Right? Who doesn't love a good Tilray's freaking mooning? I own some Tilray, so that's definitely going to get priority. $3.49 is where I'd sell my first piece of Tilray, right? God. Garbage. $3.47. SPY has hardly moved from open, but my individual stocks are moving higher. All right, I'm setting an alert for Tilray. I just got an alert for that. Most of the stocks that I feel like have been moving up have just been beaten down names. Maybe shorts are just throwing in the towel here a little. Continuing to see selling just kind of like abate a little. Buying abate a little. Williams-Sonoma moving higher. I don't care about that. DraftKings, I do care about that now that I see that it's up 20% on where I last bought it. So we'll sell a piece of that. Like if it's just short-term money or traders playing today, like they're going to get impatient and you'll see them move down here. But if there's some institutional participation in this rally, they'll buy it up at a certain level. Like let's see what that pullback low holds. Otherwise, everybody that's short here is going to have to cover up if we start moving higher. All right. Williams Sonoma till rate, Beyond Meat. Let's look at Beyond Meat. BYND. Moving higher. Stash. Is it time to sell my Beyond Meat? I'd love to be able to just sell this. Just get rid of it. I've already closed Pinterest. I'm on the hunt. I'm on the hunt for another seller. I still got a ways to go. My cost basis on Beyond Meat is that accurate? $14.91? $14.23? No, it's not accurate. I gotta fill it in. Cost basis is still $15.86. So I still got a ways to go. A little ways. But getting closer. What was my price on Beyond Meat? BYND. 1363. I got a good fill. At least I got a good fill. Right? That was a 4 size. 1362. 1363. I sold at 1391. It's now at 1573. I'm going to sell a piece of Beyond Meat here. It's looking lovely. All right, so I just sold a little Beyond Meat there. Holy crap-a-rooney. Slow down, markets. Whoa, Nelly. Ulta hit a new all-time high today. Been trailing this thing up because I got some free. Cracker Barrel. Just got an alert for Cracker Barrel being up 5%. Man, restaurants have just been fire. I'll do a little quick cost basis on Cracker Barrel. We still got a ways to go. Cost basis on my sort of 3 size is 110.65. I'll sell that first piece back out at 116.19. It looks like. So we'll set the alert for that now. 116.19. This thing freaking moves, man. Back into the gap, though. I like it. After a bad earnings report, now there's a gap below us, but we're filling the gap that was above us. And more importantly, gapped above the 50-day moving average. All right. Alta. When's it time to sell some more Alta? I don't have anything. I'm trailing Alta up in another account as well. God dang it. What's 10% above 458.30? 506, 504.13, 506.42. God dang it. $12.14 plus 1. Guys. Plus 2. Rojo. 504.41 is where I'll sell the first piece. I only have a 2 side. I only have a 2 size, so I'm a little bit more. I hold on to it a little longer. Let's just say that. I do also own it, though, on Webull. LNG moving higher. That's nice to see. LNG moving higher. Everybody thought natural gas was going to zero, I remember. What is that alert? Credit card payment is due. Oh, whatevs. Whatevs. All right, Alcoa, beyond. LNG, that's right. I was looking at LNG. Let's see when it's time to sell some of this garbage. I call everything garbage. Sold Tesla 3 times in 5 days. Very nice. Nice buy in the dip. Nice job buying when it's going lower instead of jumping on the short bandwagon. All those shorts getting hosed. Good work. I like it. It's tough. I know. Trust me, I know. Speaking of LNG, I just got an alert for it on the other platform I own it on. So let's sell some there. That's easy. Scared money don't make money. That's why we scale in and scale out. Again, I think it's an issue with position sizing for you. Don't get brave. Don't get scared. Scale in, scale out. Give your mental health a break. Holy crap. All right, I sold a piece of LNG here at 149.14. Yeah, for you to care about that 25%, you're too big. Like if you were the right size, it being down 25% would be good. You'd probably would have bought more at least 2 times. Like you would have been buying more that time. You would have been like, this is awesome. All right. Initial balance time. Let's take a look-see. Let's take a look-see at initial balance. Where is my really, Jay? Excuse me. I'm looking for my my data box. Found it. Nope, I didn't. Where is my data box? It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. Where the heck is it? Did I close it? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't follow VTards. So if you want to share the quote, did you share it? Maybe I missed it. What was it? It's super long. Oh, maybe I didn't see it. It didn't come through. Didn't come through on my end. Maybe because it was so long. Just send a link. Where the heck? Is my data box? This is ridiculous. There we go. It's crazy that that's the first I've had a problem with it. Hi. All right. What is it? $10.29. There we go. All right, there's your initial balance for today. Let's see what they do with it, kids. Let's see what they do with it, boys and girls. Right now, they're just chopping around. All right, I'm looking it up now. I hope I don't have to sign up and do anything. Holy crap. These people have way too much time on their hand. Just trade. Don't talk about it. Just trade. I know, that's why I'm here. I'm trying to make them better. It's a full-time job and I don't get paid enough. All right, Teledoc. Is it time to let's look at Teledoc? My boss is going to be like, "What are you doing today?" I'm like, I don't know. I'm busy like looking at servers and stuff. Well, what exactly are you looking at? I don't know, like servers and stuff. Like, why do you got like servers and stuff? Like, why you gotta know? I'm like checking if the reverse muffler bearings on the IO stat is red line, and my code is compiling. I've never used that one. Oh, I'm compiling some code here. I had to the npm wasn't working on the server, so I had to download from source and tweak the compiler settings to get it to work with this kernel version. That seems to be a one-off. Let's see here. Bye. All right. I don't think it's time to sell Teledoc, but I'm going to factor in what the price should be to sell it, since it's 5% above where I last bought it. But I need the subtotal of a column here. $27.24 is my cost basis on that 3 size. I own a 10 size total, by the way. $28.73 would be where I could sell it at 5% above it. However, which 20% above $23.81? $28.69. So I would sell it at $28.70. All right, let's go, baby. Let's set it. Plus 20% above 23.81 with a buffer. 2020. I bought that piece on the 22nd of December. They know. That's just psych ops. Do you know if the markets didn't listen to the Fed, it wouldn't matter? I don't listen to the Fed. You couldn't hear it? It's not coming through your speakers? Hold on a second here. Hold on a second here. I have been tweaking the sounds. I have been messing with the sounds here. I think I know. When I restarted stuff, it reset some things. Hold on a second here. Let me see something here. All right. All right, you guys are not hearing it. That's freaking great. Where are my sound alerts going? All right, let's try that. Nice. All right, fixed. All right, go for it. Or here, I'll play it for you. Okay, so Buller and others are speaking tomorrow ahead of CPI. Thank you for helping me fix that, by the way. Or letting me know that it wasn't working. Like I said, I have been tweaking some settings. And yesterday I did some things. To prepare for the glory that is to come. How do I think CPI will come in tomorrow? I am no, I'm not positioned any differently than I would be. I think CPI is going to come in better than expected, and markets are going to tank. Really, I do. I mean, that's basically what I think. I always think the market's going to do the exact opposite of what I think it's going to do. Well, tank. I mean, like down. It'll be down 1% or more. Yeah. Because markets always do what you don't expect them to do. Right? Especially with this run up. Like everybody's running into stocks because they think that CPI number is going to be better than expected, meaning inflation is going to come in lower. And so they're all getting into stocks, right? Thinking that stocks are going to pop tomorrow on a really good CPI read, right? The Fed sees that inflation's slowing down. Maybe they'll ease. And wham, they'll sell into the rally. So, look, full disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm wrong too. That's why I'm not really short-term changing my position. But would that surprise you? As, you know, depending on how long you've been trading in the markets? You know, how often do we see markets do exactly, you know, the opposite of what they should do? So that's generally why I like selling into rallies and buying in the pullbacks. Like, it doesn't matter why it's going up. Doesn't matter why it's going down. It just is. Right? And you'll drive yourself crazy trying to figure it out. Looking at, you know, all the different like analysts and you know, investors and like getting their thoughts and like you go nuts. Stay mechanical. That's exactly what it is. All righty. All right, Teledoc, I set the alert. I don't have an alert. I'm noticing, however, that I don't have an alert set for Teledoc below the last time I bought it. Probably because I missed it. It was probably too busy. So I'm going to set it again. I was supposed to buy more at $22.50. I missed it. I missed it a lot. Way to go, Jay. Snatching defeat from the jaws of victory. Hold on a sec. I want to record that. I want to record that one. Snatching defeat from the jaws of victory. All right, here we go. Do I need another page? I think I do. All right, I'll do those four. Do I got to oh, you know what? Shit. Capture device. Oh my gosh, look at all these capture devices. Wasn't that just great? I want the aux device, right? Yeah, let's try that one. All right, let's try this. You ready? Snatching defeat from the jaws of victory. Sweet, it works. All right. So I got Teledoc done. AFRM moving higher, 20% above where I bought it last on stash. I'll cut a piece out there. I bought so much AFRM on the move down in December. I'm like, how much lower are you going to go, AFRM? Are you going out of business? Seriously. Because it's ridiculous. You should record yourself doing some Napoleon soundbite. Let's see. I should, shouldn't I? No one cares about your flipping wins. Why don't you get out of here? Carvana wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole, with a 50-foot pole. Yeah. I don't think anybody is. Or if they did, I'm ragging on them the whole time. I'm just busting on them the whole time they're here. It's garbage. It's garbage. Throw it away. Gosh. Your mom buys Carvana. Your mom buys. Here, watch this. Carvana. Awesome. God bless America. Can I move these pages? Yeah, I can. Very nice. All right. Affirmed. I really need to update all my freaking buys and sells. I was busy. I can make that much money in 5 seconds. That is a great one. I can make that much money in 5 seconds. Gosh. I can make that much money in 5 seconds. Gosh. Here we go. A little breakout. A little breakout in stocks. You know what? It seems to coincide with a drop here in crypto. Crypto, the last 15 minutes or so, I want to say the last 20 or 30 minutes or so is really, really dumped hard. At least futures have. Hold on a sec. Where do I have it? Look at that move. Risk off there. I'm watching that on another screen. You guys don't see it. So what am I investing in today? Yeah, man. Good stuff. Snatch and defeat. I like my snatch and defeat from the jaws of victory, too. It just seems like it's riskier. Like, that just tells me that is it institutional participation in the rally this week? Probably not. I'm less inclined. I'm not saying there isn't institutional participation, right? They're always like hedging positions and stuff. But to see a move up in risk assets versus down just leads me to believe it's not